Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 3 XL against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Exynos 9810, 4GB of RAM versus 6GB, a clean version of Android versus a skinned version of Android. So which one of these phones will be the fastest? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Google Pixel 3 XL. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It also has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mali G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy Note 9 wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 wins again, this time by 8 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy Note 9 won by 5 points. In round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 won again, this time it was by 8 points. Now the price difference between the two is about £20, however I believe the Galaxy Note 9 is a better phone. You have a much bigger battery, you have the headphone jack, expandable storage. As for the Pixel 3 XL, it probably has a better camera and you will get software updates faster compared to the Galaxy Note 9. What did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up and I'm also planning to get the Asus ROG phone, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.